Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on the undefined terms in geometry. Okay, let's have the first one. First one is point. So point suggests an exact location in space. So for example, if we're going to have the map, you can determine the exact location of a place using point. Then second, it has no dimension, so no length, no width, or no height. Then in naming a point, we are going to use a capital letter. For example, if we're going to have point A, we can name this one as point A, capital letter A. In representing a point, we use a dot, and we're going to follow the capital letter. For example, let's have point A, we're going to have dot, then A. Then second is line. So line is a set of points arranged in a row. So if we're going to have a set of points here, for example, let's have point A, then B, and C. We can determine a line using this point. So we can draw a line here using the points A, B, and C. Then it is extended endlessly in both directions. So it is extended towards left and it is also extended towards right. Then this is a one-dimensional figure because it has a length. Then 2 points determine a line. So if we're going to have 2 points, for example in here, A and B, you can now have or draw a line, or you can determine a line. Then we're going to use a lowercase letter or any 2 points on the line to name the line. For example, in this line here, we can name this one as line AB, or we can name this one as line AC. This using 2 points on the line. So line AB or line AC. Or in symbols, we can write that one as line AB. So the 2 capital letters, and then we're going to put a line above. And this is also line AC. And another way of naming a line is using lowercase letter or small letters. So for example, we can have this one as, we can name this one as line M. So line M. Or if we're going to draw another line, if we're going to have here another line, then let's have this one as A. So we can name this one as line A. So again, we can name a line using 2 capital letters on the line, or 2 points on the line, or using lowercase letter. Then the third undefined term in geometry is the plane. So plane is a set of points in an endless flat surface. So the following determine a plane. A, 3 non-collinear points. If we're going to have 3 non-collinear points, so these 3 points here are not collinear, or they are not on the same line. So for example, this is P, Q, R. So using these 3 non-collinear points here, you can now determine a plane, or you can make a plane using these 3 non-collinear points. Then 2 intersecting lines. So if we're going to have 2 intersecting lines, for example, this is line A and the other one is line B. So using these 2 intersecting lines, you can now form a plane, or you can determine a plane. The third one is 2 parallel lines. If we're going to have 2 parallel lines, for example, 2 parallel lines here, let's have here, you can call this one as line L, and this is line M. So using these two parallel lines here, you can determine a plane, or you can make a plane. Then the last one is a line and a point not on the line. So if we're going to have here line C and another point, let's have B, point D. So using this line and the point here not on the line, we can now determine a plane, or we can make a plane. Then we use a lowercase letter or 3 points on the plane to name a plane. So for example, if we're going to have here a plane, so let's have here L. So we can name this one as plane L. Or if there are points on the plane, for example, let's have here A, and point B, point D. So we can also name this one using these 3 letters here. So we can also name plane L as plane A, B, D. Or in symbols, we can also write this one as a rectangle or a parallelogram, then write the letters A, B, D. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.